Hey nerds, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. Imagine making guaranteed money just by spinning slots. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can cash in on the Game of Thrones slots offers on Swagbucks. Let's dive into this epic adventure and turn those spins into real bucks. Going over the requirements here. As you can see, I've actually already completed this goal because I wanted to finish it before I told you about it, so I knew exactly, what to do, what kind of tips and advice to give you. So as you can see here, you need to reach level 101 in the game in 7 days, and you're going to earn yourself 2,500 swag bucks. It used to be 4,000, but they've updated it since then. So let's talk about how you get to that level 101 for your free guaranteed money. So just like with any other offer, I'm always going to go over and look at Reddit first, even though I've already researched this a ton. I've actually done it before. I've done this offer before. So let's take a look. This one guy finished Game of Thrones slots. They said it took me 31 hours and 21 minutes, betting some amounts, and then they recommend the Mother of Dragons slots. That's a room in the game that you can spin. It's a specific machine you spin. They're also recommending a free coins link, and that's another one of my tips. There are some great free coins sites that you can really load up before you start going. There are a ton of threads on this. It is one of the more popular offers, I will say. And again, I've done this one. It is one of the easier ones as well. Let me actually show you my ledger. So right here you can see that I installed the game on June 3rd at about 4 p.m. and I finished the game. It started pending on June 4th at around 1 p.m. So it took me about 20 hours to complete this, and that was not anywhere close to playing full time. I did not just have my screen open on my phone for 20 hours straight. So, with this offer, there are three main tips that we're going to cover here. The first main tip is the room you're going to play. You will want to mainly stay in this room right here. It is Mother of Dragons. It's one of the most passive rooms that you can really be in. It feels like it's got a better return on your bets. But basically, you're just going to sit in here and spin for the entirety of your offer wall. And so I'm just going to spin some spins right here. And you can kind of see it's very small because this is a pretty small bet. But my experience in the top left, the blinking bar next to the 100 up there, is my experience going up with each bet. So I'm just going to do some spins here to see if I can proc the special hit that you get. And I'll show you kind of what happens with that special hit and when you'll actually have to be active in the game. Okay, so here is one of the active parts of the game. You go through and you get daily missions or just even progress missions that you'll have to click through. It doesn't take too long and it's mostly at the start. So when you're first starting to play for the day or you're first starting in the game, it's kind of like tutorial showing you everything that you can do. So you just have to click through these and then go back to spinning. Alright, so I didn't manage to proc the special thing, but I downloaded this video from the official Game of Thrones Slots YouTube channel. And basically, it is a bonus game where you're spinning to try and fill all the spaces on the board. If you do manage to fill all those spaces, then you get a multiplier of everything that is on the board. And then after that, you get to pick a dragon, one of three. It's either times two, times three, or a certain amount. All right, so on to the next tip. As you can see, I've used all of my gold. I'm like broke now. The next most important thing is to join an active guild. So I'm going to go back here, and my house down here is pretty well active. So let's take a look. Oh, We did some event and we got a reward. Great. All right, so we're going to come down here. And as you can see, anytime anyone gets an epic win or a legendary win or like a really big win, the clan gets to share in that. So you can see my 24,000 up there. And now I'm up to 88 million in gold. So I can go back and spin some more. This is huge for completing in time. Because a lot of times you will bet big and you'll run out of gold and then you can't gain experience if you have no gold. You just go over to your clan and there, you've got gold built in. The last crucial tip I have for you is you're going to open your browser on your phone and go to Google and search Game of Thrones slots free coins. And there's a lot of websites that you can get free coins from, but I use Game Hunters Club. I think it's just one of the easier ones. All right, and so all of these buttons right here, these rectangles, are different free coins links on different days at different times. So you can click all of them. I think sometimes it works when the app is open, but most of the times you will have to close the app in order to proc it. I don't know why it's going through the app store right there. But basically once it loads, oh, that one says I've already collected it. Let's try another one. So I'm just going to close the app, go back out here to the page, and click the next one. Open. Going through the web store. And there we go. So this one's for 560,000 gold. There are some for 1 million, there are some for 2 million, and I've seen some as high as 20 million. So it is definitely worth it to go through and click on as many links as you can. It helps a lot before you start up because when you have a lot of gold, you don't really have to worry about your money management as much. You can just keep spinning. So that is a really good tip right there. I think when I started, I had probably 180 million coins. So really good stuff right there. And that's it, nerds. To recap, here's how you can quickly complete the Game of Thrones slots offer on Swagbucks. 1. Focus on spinning the slots in the Mother of Dragons room. It's passive for the most part and offers great payouts. 2. Join an active guild to benefit from guild gifts, events, and support of other players. This helps you progress even faster. And 3, finally, collect your free coins regularly. Collect that big bunch at the start. You can also get daily login bonuses and hourly bonuses throughout, but the biggest one will be those free coin links. So by following these tips, you'll be well on your way to reaching level 101 in no time and claiming your Swagbucks rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Happy spinning, and I hope you enjoy your newly acquired 2,500 Swagbucks. I'll see you next time. Bye!